Ayan po, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ito muli siya po, Nol 911. Kamusta po kayo mga amigo, ka-friend? Ito po, nandito na naman ako. Medyo matagal-tagal akong nawala sa ating pagbablog. Ito po, ngayon ay medyo magkakamping kami ng aking pamilya. Yan. Ang oras po ngayon ay alas 8:30 na ng gabi at ngayon po ay maliwanag pang namin dahil summer. Hindi na hanggang umaga po ito maliwanag, hindi na po ito didilim kaya ayos na ayos po ang aming pagkakamping nito. Ito po ang aming dadalin sa aming pagkakamping. Tingnan niyo po, ayan. Yeah, this is my YouTube video. Okay, Twix, say hi, Twix. You're going for camping? All right. Ayan po. Papasok natin kami dito sa truck. Ayan po. Ayan po ang loob ng aming tren. Yeah, baby! Hotdog.
Hotdog? Telo.
Are ni?
Indalala?
Wah.
Telo. Awa. Breakfast.
Hi, baby! Ayan po, ang aming sasakyan.
Road trip.
Ang aming RV at magpo-food trip kami at mag-overnight sa bukid. Yan, say hi, Lael. Say hi, baby. Alright, okay. Update ko po kayo maya-maya.
Strawberry. Sir. Hold this, okay? Wala ko ba yan? Okay, ito na ang kutsilyo pala.
Yan daw?
Layo, siyempre. Quota, di na kape. Ayan eh. Lelo yung kayang carrier. Bang nabablemang paan.
don't see it. I said I seen it. I don't know what the fuck it's there.
You're just gonna leave the chair on me for
Get that blue there, we're gonna put that thing. The blue thing, I'm gonna put that chair. Is that the one? Is that the bag? Oh yeah. Oh no, it's not. I don't know where's the bag of that.
this is so good. Wait, the tripe? Did she just buy it on her own?
No, we bought that at Walmart. When we
Oh,
went
you
to
guys like
Walmart.
the tripe?
Remember when we went to Walmart?
Mhm.
Yeah, because she asked to buy it. Yeah, but Richard likes that.
Does it add more flavor or like?
I don't know. Because the real Papa Eden has tripe. And since we don't eat those intestine, and so that's why she just put the beef in this. She doesn't either, so.
I saw we had. You guys didn't bring oil.
We're good.
Just you do. There has to be oil.
Hot dog for real.
That's yours.
This one. Oh, mango.
Tripe looks so weird, bro. Like Like, is that what ours looks like? Is that what our belly fat looks like?
Yeah,
Like that?
yeah.
Oh lord.
Morning mga amigo, ka-friend. Ito na kami. Ito ang aming pinunta sa aming camping. Camping, ito. At ngayon ay time check, mag-aalas 11 na ng tanghali. Yan.
I think I should drug you, Mom.
Jay, can I borrow my charger?
Yan. Ano dito. Ngayon, mag-aalmusal muna kami.
Why they look like that? Why stuck on there? How it's happened?
Kaya min kahit wala eh, kaya may tayo. Ayan. Nagluluto na ng almusal, kagigising lang namin. Ayan ang surrounding ng kinampingan namin. Ayan. Ayan, yan ang man-made lake. Yan ang man-made lake. May mga
Nasty.
mga nagtatent doon sa banda ron. Ayun, doon. Ngayon, eto. Mag-aalmusal muna kami.
You can the
This shit is impossible.
in the
Almusal, to nagluto na si yung anak ko ng almusal, ayan.
I'll break that wire. I'm gonna break
Gusto mo
that.
na yan?
Hotdog.
That thing can't get
Meron
out.
yung ano, yung...
Wants to do this.
Huh?
Hmm.
Oh, LJ.
Breakdown.
It's literally, it can't, like, I swear to God, it can't.
Huh?
It can't come out.
Asan ko lang ito?
Yan.
Wala ko man.
Break my charger.
Yan, may kanin. Ito yung apo kong bunso. Si Riel. Hi, Riel. Hi, say hi, baby.
Hi.
Hi. You're not on the mood? Ayan.
When's brother gonna wake up?
What?
I don't think so. It's
When's
like
brother gonna wake up?
Ayan.
I think I ripped it.
Yeah.
That thing was so hard to take out. What the heck?
I don't know how it happened in the...
I don't know. You saw that too?
I don't know if it's gonna
Still
work.
working?
What is this,
I don't know.
Oh, yeah, what's that? What's that on your, You made that? No, is that a game? Is that a game, baby?
Oh, brother.
Wow.
Masarap.
Dahil masarap daw.
Mm.
Masarap. Yan ang mga apo.
You go on the TV, Lolo gonna record.
Yeah.
You
Where the plate? The
Maya
plates are over there.
maya na pagkakain siguro baka uwi na kami.
Over there. Yeah,
Nakatulog na kami dito sa tabi ng man-made deck. Ang laki ng man-made deck na ginawa nila rito.
Paikot, no? Paikot. Meron pa sa likod.
Yan. Ito talaga pinagpipiknikan nila para kunyari may ilog. Ayun nung mga nakaten sa malayo.
Then you can go over there, ah. You can select the place, ah. Why we go here in the Why we don't go there?
We can go. We're gonna go to the other one. We're gonna go to Sutton.
Other side.
No, we're gonna go to a different one.
See, they bring their boat. Look, oh.
Yeah.
We're gonna go boating.
That's the same exact boat I have.
Oh, the same boat.
Oy,
Uy! There's your hot dog, baby.
the cheese is literally squirted.
Oh my God. To put this on my jacket.
Ayun ang aking anak nagluluto. Yung isang apo, nandun pa natulog. Yung matamad, ayun.
Magandang buhay.
Magandang buhay, oh.
There's pork there.
Wow.
And here, here.
Ayan, yung aking prinsesang panganay.
Uh-oh.
Yun. Kumanta, did you sing last night?
Yeah, they sing.
Oh, yeah?
The
Apo.
last in recording. You sing again, Sarah, today.
No. Yeah. Can you pull out Six's food?
Huh?
No?
Dang, you
Is
got
there-
long arms.
Is there rice?
Right there. You just have to heat up in the
Ano yan?
microwave. I said-
Anong nase?
Nasi. Nasi is rice.
Ito si Mrs. Makain.
Kung my brother.
Hold on. Wait.
Kumain.
Kumain ng kumain.
You know what kumain is?
Okay, baby.
Yeah.
Eat your hot dog, baby.
Not kumain.
Kumain.
Wait.
Kumain, eat.
Ayan po, nandito na naman kami sa aming tren. Ayan.
Pali ka pala itong kape na.
Eh,
Ate Twix mo.
Twix, come over here, Twix. Twix, come over here. Stand up. There. There. Stay there.
Ay, patdan may ita.
Padami ako ng machine.
Machine?
Yung machine na
Engine?
ning engine. Engine. Oh, po tama na itong pamangan na. Yeah. Get the food. It might gonna po. Po tama na booking harapan
Paudya pa?
Makodya pa kano. Kung may pamangan, po tama na bo. Sabi mo niya akin, no? Yan. Make it one.
Can you check if it's clear
It is?
on the side?
I know it's a baby that has
Yeah, you're good. Just sit.
Every time, but it's not a joke. We genuinely don't like it.
See you guys at the camp.
Still
Huh?
happy.
Okay. First, I'm gonna take a picture of my car.
Alright. We get Titan.
Bye-bye.
Just one way now. One way now. One way home. One way home. Okay. So, where are you going?
Put a lighter here, bro.
Huh? Tura.
Back your tires up here. Okay, hold that.
Serious?
Twix?
Hold this layout.
Shrink na yung Twix, so. Not Twix. I'm videoing Twix, okay?
You don't need to video, bro.
No. Oh, look at the eyes. The morning glory big. He has a wipes. Twix has wipes. What you gotta do for that? Oh my God. What's that? Nalalawin mo?
Ano din?
Oh, box na yung Keurig yun.
Oh.
Yan yung Keurig. Nang lalawin mo?
Ala.
Oh. Pamami na, Richard. Leko ko kitang dashboard na din po, tamanakbag. Ini, ano yung pamangan mo? Hindi ako katang dashboard ng pamangan? Oo. Pala, ayan team basura.
Galing ako kay Jurek.
Wah, Karina. Oh, where's my... Oy, tambaral jar ko po tama tong bayan. It's gonna be.
Put this thing here.
Oh, yeah pala.
Very good, right? Pero kung yung coffee ko, wala ka rin.
Tayo.
Ano ba?
Panggulo sa Richard.
Ayaw,
Nano yan?
ang kape na.
Sige, wala ka pa. Alright.
Are we ready?
Okay. We're ready. Alright, Kevin, baby.
Let's move on.
You gonna, where you want to be, baby?
Let's move on.
Huh? Hurry up.
Oh, where are we going?
We're going to the other side. To the other
Mhm.
camping area. That's the thing.
No more lake there.
Layang maligang, maligang.
You wanna watch the road, baby? Watch the travel? Huh?
May lahoy na.
Ayan po, lilipat na po kami sa ibang ano,
Sa ano nga? Yung DBH?
sa ibang camping site.
PBH?
May magluto na wari. Wala
Ayan. Your nose, man.
Pero manitsura tapi.
Pinagkita tayo ng gaya na rin.
Aro? Tangkits. Magkanyan yan.
Sumayad yun. Pag yung pababa, sumayad yun.
Patas siya kagaya.
Sasayad yun.
Mamaya papuntay na.
Kamalis.
Hindi lang mamatang sa mga. Okay, let's see.
Ganting na rin boat, direct Ayan.
In 1.4 miles, turn right onto South Boatcare Highway.
Heading to where? Saturn?
Yeah.
Saturn.
Hindi man makakulit.
Yan ang export.
For auto.
Sabat? Can sit here?
Anong pin na?
Apat kasi yun.
Can sit right here.
May camping na kanina ba?
Day trip mo.
Kumangin. Ayan po. Napunta kami sa kabila.